Howdy, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. So, the video I'm putting together has a lot of clips from yesterday, and I don't want to spoil the surprise, but if you see that it jumps back and forth, I'll do the best to narrate or put some comments up or splice in a little bit of video explaining it. But basically, I started out with a scary morning, then did a lot of work at camp before taking off to go to the nearest RV repair shop and shower at the local truck stop. And this is some of that day. And then ending with tonight, where I did take a nice leisurely walk with Ninja. Down the road in the city of Belmont, small little city, I'm getting a new awning. Let me show you the awning. So here's my awning. As you can see, it's starting to rip on this side, but key in on that row of white dots. That is all cracks and wear from sun and elements, plus those little dots there. This thing is leaking like a strainer. Now over on the end, I have the part that I patched up. And that tape patch lasted a couple of months, but with high winds and everything and the awning being out, it ripped off too. So I've got a new awning that I've already bought, and it's in the RV, and they're gonna install it tomorrow. But we gotta pack up to leave. So Ninja's cried to come out because she wants to come out. First thing I'm going to do is move these chairs back to the campfire. I'm going to move that rug. And I don't think I could go forward because of that overhang. I think that's branches might scrape up a little. I've got to get the LED lights put away. And really the only big thing is taking off these extra containers, tying them up to a tree and leaving them here. And that way we'll be just running off the RV propane. Well, I managed to back up the RV, get the awning off, like I just ripped it off since I wouldn't have the new fabric. And now it's to put those bars, part of the awning, inside the RV, pack up the tools, and get headed into town where I definitely need a shower now. All right, everything put away. Ninja's under my driver's seat. That's her hiding spot as we travel. And where I'm going to shower, maybe dump tanks, although I don't need to. I do need a shower. It's 5.6 miles away, but on the forest road doing 5 miles an hour, it's gonna take a good 30 minutes to get down this forest road. So here we go. Okay, we're in the shower. We're on the toilet. Looks pretty nice. Let's get to shaving and showering. So I know you can't see much, but I just thought I'd show my place for the night behind the RV center, right along the Interstate 40. Lucky I'm a good sleeper because there's going to be lots of traffic all night. Had a wonderful shower at Pilot though. So folks, it's been quite the day. A tree destroying my awning. The at least hour it took me to disassemble things to be able to travel. But I'm at the RV shop and in the morning they'll look at it. I'd hate to put it in an insurance claim, but if they're not able to fix those awning brackets, they're like $1,200 for the two of them. Luckily, I already have a new awning I plan to put on theirs, but that was like $250. And then, of course, we've got labor. So we'll see. Stay posted. As always, I'm trying to be positive, be nice, and be active. So unfortunately, the RV shop, RV Country, stated that the frames were beyond repair. They'd have to order an entire new assembly. Mine also have speakers on each corner. And then they told me that when they order it, it already comes with fabric. So the fabric I already bought is paid like paid like $250 for is going to sit inside my RV until 3 years down the road when I need a new one. Or who knows, if a branch falls on the fabric and the frame's good in the future, I can always use that fabric that I've already purchased. So this is after leaving the RV shop and getting that news, filing an insurance claim, and luckily it went pretty smoothly. I am going to have a $500 deductible, which in the big scheme of things is kind of money I had already set aside to have the awning just installed. You know, removing the old one, putting in the new one that I had. So that $500 out of pocket is somewhere between the $350 and $500 I anticipated anyway, as long as the claim goes smoothly. The big key here is how many weeks is it going to take to get that part or parts in. That's something I don't know yet, but I'll find out in the day or two ahead. So here we are back at camp. So how to deal with a depressing day after finding out your whole awning needs to be replaced. You go for a walk with your kitty. Some very pretty flowers out here, if you're a flower person. Next to some lava rocks. And we're approaching sunset. But we're gonna do just a little walk down this road. Right, Ninja? Look at that. That's the black cat. Oh, and then it's time to lay down, huh? Oh, there she goes again. She's one crazy forest cat. So I took a little break on a nice rock, mostly because I'm about ready to turn around, but it also gives Ninja a chance to check out and smell and look around a new area. And as I'm looking at all this natural beauty, look what I found right at the foot of the rock here where I'm sitting. I had to do a double take. It's a flippin' muffler. Are you kidding me? I mean, a bottle cap or a cigarette butt I could see somebody dropping and not realizing, but a muffler? Ninja and I agree, those people are terrible. She's even looking like, what the heck is this thing? That doesn't belong in nature. And this is my RV with no awning. Yep, so after the tree fell on it, pulled the tree off, all the framing was damaged. I was able to remove it from down below and get it on the roof. I'll insert that little bit here showing the brackets and everything. So there you have it. I didn't have any close-ups yet of the damaged brackets. Maybe I'll post that in a future video. But remember, can't always have good luck. Bad luck is part of life too. Just got to go with the flow sometimes. Go out there, be positive, be nice, be active. And from Ninja and I, we bid you adieu. Thanks for watching.